Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, and anyone worried that their job might soon be done by a robot, welcome to the future. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its ever-growing impact on job automation and augmentation. Prepare for a journey filled with insights, intellectual humor, and a few existential questions about our future as human workers. Chapter 1. The Dawn of AI in the Workplace. AI has been making waves in various industries, transforming the way we work and live. From the silver screens of Hollywood to the assembly lines of factories, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily operations. As highlighted by MIT Technology Review, the entertainment industry is already experimenting with generative AI, creating lifelike deepfakes and CGI effects that would make even the most seasoned actors do a double take. Imagine a future where AI not only edits your favorite films but also stars in them. But AI's influence extends far beyond Hollywood. It's infiltrating the corporate world, where automation is not just a buzzword but a business imperative. According to UiPath, the fusion of AI and automation is set to revolutionize business processes in 2024. The ability to streamline tasks like intelligent document processing and task mining is making companies more efficient and productive. Chapter 2. The Great Automation Debate. Let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI steal our jobs? The answer is both yes and no. AI is indeed capable of automating many tasks, but it also has the potential to augment human roles, making us more efficient rather than redundant. A study featured in Xplore reveals that the economic feasibility of automating certain jobs is still a significant hurdle. For many tasks, the cost of implementing AI solutions is simply too high compared to human labor. This means that while some jobs may be at risk, the wholesale replacement of humans with robots is not as imminent as some might fear. However, AI is not just about replacement. It's about transformation. AI can take over repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. For instance, customer service representatives can rely on AI-powered chatbots to handle basic inquiries, allowing them to tackle more challenging problems that require a human touch. Chapter 3. Augmentation Nation. One of the most exciting prospects of AI is its ability to augment human capabilities. Picture this: an office where every employee has a virtual assistant that not only schedules meetings but also drafts emails, analyzes data, and even suggests the best time for a coffee break based on your productivity patterns. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a glimpse into the near future, thanks to advancements in AI. According to the World Economic Forum, AI and automation are not just about doing things faster, they're about doing things better. For example, AI-powered tools can help healthcare professionals diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, assist lawyers in sifting through mountains of legal documents, and even aid teachers in personalizing education for students. Chapter 4. Intellectual Humor and Existential Questions. Now let's inject a bit of intellectual humor into this serious topic. Imagine if Shakespeare had access to AI. To automate or not to automate, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous manual labor, or to take arms against a sea of inefficiencies and, by automating, end them. On a more serious note, the rise of AI does bring up some profound questions about the nature of work and human existence. If machines can do everything we can do, what is left for us? This is where the concept of augmentation becomes crucial. AI should not be seen as a threat, but as a tool that can enhance our abilities and open up new possibilities. Chapter 5. Real-world applications and success stories. Let's look at some real-world applications where AI is already making a significant impact. Healthcare. AI algorithms are revolutionizing diagnostics. For example, AI can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than human doctors, potentially catching diseases in their early stages and saving lives. Finance. In the world of finance, AI is used for everything from fraud detection to algorithmic trading. These systems can process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect. Manufacturing robots equipped with AI are taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks on the factory floor, ensuring higher safety and efficiency. These robots can work around the clock without breaks, increasing productivity significantly. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots are handling customer inquiries around the clock, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents to deal with more complex issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces operational costs. Education. AI is personalizing education by analyzing students' learning patterns and tailoring content to their individual needs. This ensures that each student can learn at their own pace, improving overall educational outcomes. Chapter 6. The Road Ahead. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the workplace. But it's not just about the technology. It's about how we use it. Companies that embrace AI and automation will have a competitive edge, but they must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that their workforce is prepared for the changes ahead. Training and reskilling programs will be essential to help workers adapt to new roles that AI cannot fill. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving will remain in demand, and AI will serve as a powerful tool to augment these human skills. Chapter 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is set to revolutionize the workplace, automating mundane tasks and augmenting human capabilities. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits are immense. By embracing AI, we can create a future where humans and machines work together, each complementing the other's strengths. So the next time you worry about a robot taking your job, remember this: AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you better. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll have a virtual assistant that can even tell jokes as good as mine. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of work. Stay curious, stay innovative, and remember, embrace the robots, for they are our allies in the quest for a better tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.